Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is June 2024, 31 variant question number 8. Topic is integration. So have a look here. He given us the substitution criteria. So topic is integration, but whenever we start this kind of question, this kind of question, what to do? We start from the differentiation. So have a look. U is equals to 1 minus sine x. So left hand side u, right hand side x. So I'm getting du over dx. 1 becomes 0 and sine derivative is cos. So main thing is a double x. So you know it very well. When you expand it, it becomes sine double x is basically we can convert into 2 sine single x and cos single x. So half angle come here and half angle comes here. So it means I can open it on the numerator. Sorry, here I'm writing it like this. 2 sine x into cos x. Okay, denominator, you can see there's a completely match. So I can replace by u. So in numerator, I got root of u. And what about dx? So I have two choices. First of all, dx multiplied there. I can say du is equals to negative cos x and dx. So basically, you can see if you look at carefully, we have these two things available. So negative shift on left side, I got negative du is equal to cos x dx. So these two things are same. Okay, but only issue left behind is what? So these two things can be replaced by negative du, which I am doing now. Negative du. In denominator, I am writing root of u. So only thing left behind, how to deal with this gone, how to deal with a sine and 2. So 2 I'm not shifting anywhere. But what about sine? Can I make a sine subject from here? Yeah, why not? Sine comes this way, u goes on the other side. So basically, I can say 1 minus u, which I am writing here, 1 minus u. Repeat again, this sine, make it alone. So sine x basically equal to 1 minus u. So this 1 minus u come from here. So now what to do? And what limits left now? What about the limits? So basically pi lower limit, I'm writing now when x1 equals to pi. So this pi, I'm going to plug in it here. So when I plug in it there, u1 is equal to 1 minus sine pi. Sine pi is 0, so u1 is 1. So 1 is going as a lower limit. So I'm writing lower limit 1. Okay, now let's talk about the upper limit. So when upper limit, we have x2. And what is x2? We have a 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. When I plug in 3 pi by 2 here, you can check in calculator in radian mode. Make sure radian mode. So u2 is equals to 1 minus sine 3 pi by 2, which is a minus 1. And I got u2 is equal to 2. So this 2 comes on top. I think this point is clear. So now what about this minus sign? So this minus will go in the bracket and we get a 1 to 2 limit. And I got a 2 and u minus 1 over root u and du. Repeat my words once again. If you look at carefully, we have to do care about the sign here. Okay. So that is why this minus inside multiply become minus sign, and minus into minus I got a plus sign. So I hope so. This part is very clear. Okay. Now I can how to continue, how to further. So splitting according to algebraic rule a plus b by c, we can split like this. So this is allowed in plus or in minus. So both are allowed. I'm going to do this one here. So 2 multiply inside. So I got 2u over root u and 2 over root u du. Simplify maximum. So I got a 2. What is the power of 1? 1 minus half is 1 minus half is coming half. And this is becoming 2 negative half. Okay, now I'm going to complete, first of all, integration. So this power is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. And this power is negative half. We add 1, we got a positive half by positive half. And limits are 1 to 2. So you know, student, this is a fraction part, how to deal with that. So 2 over 3 by 2, this will flip up. We got a 4 over 3. And if you check it carefully, we got a 4 over 3, 4 over 3, and u to power 3 by 2. This flip up, and you got a negative 2 to the 4 and root of u. I think this part is very clear. 1 to 2 limits. I'm going to plug in the limits. First, I plug in each u by 2. So 4 over 3, u to power 2 to power 3 by 2, and 4 root 2. This is called upper limit done. Minus. Now replace every u by 1. 1 to any power is the same, is a 1 only. So I think you got a point, and this I got it. Now, so 4 over 3 into 2 to power 3 over 2. But wait a minute, it will give a decimal answer. So if you type in calculator directly, it will give you decimal answer. But look at the way I do it here, because we must know the manual way. Okay, 3 by 2. Basically, 3 by 2 is 1 plus half. I have 1 plus half. I can break in two portion, 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power half. And if you look at carefully, 2 is, it turns to be 2 root 2. So I think the point is very clear. In future, make sure whenever 3 by 2 power comes, for example, 5 to power 3 by 2, I can write 5 root 5. K to power 3 by 2, I can write k root k. So don't forget it, this technique. So I think this part is clear. So 4 over 3 I have already, and this is 2 root 2. So I'm writing here 2 root 2. And the 4 root 2 already we have it. Okay, and here take LCM 3 for the 12. Out of 12, 4 gone, negative 8. So I got a negative 8 by 3. Okay, so afterwards, what is the story here? Root 2 common out. I got 8 by 3 minus 4, and root 2 I can bring outside. You can take common out outside, which make question easier. And plus 8 by 3. And finally, 3 for the 12. Out of 12, 4 gone, negative 4 over 3. So I got a 8 by 3 and negative 4 over 3 and root 2 multiply outside. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I believe the concept is very clear and the question is completely over.